This is where everything you want out of your chiropractic care lives. You have to teach your patients that it's not just getting adjusted, it's getting adjusted in rhythm. Team members, have you been wondering what determines whether somebody's 3 times a week, 5 times a week, or 1 time a week, or every other week? It comes down to one thing. We set up recommendations for care or visit frequency based on how long you hold your adjustments. If you're brand new and your body's got a muscle memory and tissue memory and you're unstable, when we start adjusting you, we need to be adjusting you one after another to gain some momentum. Every single adjustment is 3 steps forward, and our goal is to take no steps back.